Come in.
Good morning, Miss Jones.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good.
My name is Livina Oduji, and I'll be your CNA today. And today I'm going to assist you with oral care and dental care. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to put the call light here within reach, provide you with privacy, wash my hands, and gather my supply. Providing privacy and washing my hands. Now I'll gather my supply. I'll first of all provide barrier. I will put my glove on. Okay, so I'll go get water. Okay, Miss Jones.
Okay.
Because I've washed my hand and you can see I have my glove on, I'm going to use paper towel to turn off this faucet. Checking it. Okay, Miss Jones. Now I'm going to wet my denture brush, put toothpaste. Now I'm going to clean your dentures. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So I will use this washcloth to put inside the sink. And the reason is, in case this denture drop, it will not crack. Okay, so now I'm going to put this washcloth here, my denture here, my kidney basin over here, and I'm going to take this paper towel. I'm gonna keep it here, so this is where I'm gonna put my denture when I finish. This is my denture. I'm gonna keep it here for now. Put the denture brush over here. I'm gonna rinse this off. Now bring this back here. So I will start brushing the denture. Brush the gold tips. Brush the inside. Remove. Now I have to rinse. Now the denture is brushed and rinsed. Put it right here. have to clean the kidney basin and the denture brush. Please don't forget to take this washcloth and put it in the dirty linen hamper when you finish. If you look over here, you can see that I have paper towel on this table. That's why I'm able to put my clean dentures on this surface. So right now I'm going to take them and put them where Miss Jones wants me to put them. First of all, this is my denture brush. I'm gonna put it right here. This is my denture. Okay. And this is my kidney. Now I'm going to meet Miss Jones. All right, Miss Jones. I'm done cleaning your dentures. This is our denture brush. So I will remove my glove. Wash my hands and put another clean glove. Now we're going to clean Miss Jones' mouth. All right, Miss Jones, I'm going to put this on your neck to protect your clothing, okay?
Okay.
So you wet it. Put toothpaste. All right, Miss Jones, I think I'm gonna stay over here. All right? Okay. Wanna be a mat for me? Remember that Miss Jones don't have teeth, okay? So we are clean. What we are cleaning is the gum. I hope you know that. Now, Miss Jones, could you stick out your tongue for me? Good job. Could you take some water? More? Okay. Miss Jones, let me clean your mouth. Good. I can take this one off. All right. Now I'm going to dispose. Okay, Miss Jones, I'm going to take this one. Do you want me to put your denture on your bedside?
Yes, ma'am.
this table over here?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll remove my glove. Open the privacy button. Wash my hands. Miss Jones, here is your call light. If you need me, call me, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything that I can help you with before I leave?
No.
Cup of water?
No.
Magazine?
No.
Okay. My skill is done.